If you're looking for a high-performance family SUV, this accident-free 2022 Ford Explorer Street is an incredible choice. Finished in agate black, this 7-passenger SUV combines bold styling with serious power and premium comfort. Under the hood is Ford's twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 paired with intelligent four-wheel drive, delivering exciting performance while remaining comfortable enough for everyday family life. Inside, you'll enjoy heated and ventilated leather seats, a heated steering wheel, a twin-panel panoramic moonroof, a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, premium audio, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, and plenty of room for the whole family. If you want an SUV that's just as enjoyable to drive as it is practical, this Explorer ST is ready to impress.